Okay, the next is Tseng.
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You want to take us to explore time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Take me out. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Please.
Okay. Okay. My topic is the explore time to life by the slow motion and the time lapse. Right. Okay. Okay. First question: where is the reason in our life? We usually listen the reason by our ear, right? But
Yes.
how? Okay. Let's listen the example.
Reasons.
有声音吗？
No, I can hear that.
没有声音哦。哒。
And you
wait me a
maybe
sec.
okay.
Wait
You
me a
maybe
sec.
share this monitor in the stand screen.
Yeah.
The sound will out. Yes. Okay. Anybody?
这样子有声音吗？有听到我的声音吗
The other can respond. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. That is a normal sound, right? But
Yes,
how
normal.
about we take a little change on the reason? It's another example. Yes, let's it's be more interesting, right? Let's just how to listen the reason. Okay, by our ears.
Yes.
And okay, and how to see the reason by our eyes, not just listen. How to see?
Yes.
That is my topic to talk about slow motion and the time lapse. Is what happen if we slow down the time and or speed up the time? Yeah, how will happen if we change the speed in our life?
Yes.
Okay, that is my keyword is slow motion and the time-lapse photography. Okay, let's talk about the slow motion. Yeah, you can see the normal video, right? Normal video. That is a 30 FPS. That means I take a 30 picture in 1 second. Okay, but the slow motion, is take a 60 or 120 or 240 even more picture in 1 second. So if I take a 60 FPS 60 picture in 1 second, I just can use the whole of the second to play the normal video, right? The whole of the second is 30 pictures, right? So this is how the slow motion is working. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's theory, right?
Okay. How about the time-lapse photography? Let's is use the 1 second, even more second, to just take a one picture. Not like the slow motion is the normal video is 1 second to take 30 or more picture. It is take more second to take one picture. Yeah. But one picture it need to use more than 1 second. Although it looks not smoothly than the normal video, but that can show another aesthetic, right? Okay. Any question?
You can keep going.
Okay. So it is need to it need a lot of time to show the time lapse. Okay, let's I take some artwork, some movie to talk about how to we use the slow motion and the time-lapse. Okay, let's. So the slow motion is often to use in the action movie. Yeah. There are many action that the actor can do in 1 second, maybe a punch or a kick, but it is too fast. We can see very clean in real life. It's too fast. So let's see the part of the movie, the Gemini Man. It's an action movie.
Yeah. I think patience. Before after you okay finish the example. Okay.
我明天去潮州哦。
Okay, you can see the bottle is broken, right? It's being slowly. We can see very clearly the bottle is broken, right? Okay, let's see another example. The Fast Furious prison, the Hot and Show. Okay, you can see the punch is being very slowly, right? Okay, you can see the water is fly away from their face, and the glass is broken, and we can see the expression on the actor face, right? It's raw. You can see the expression. So slow motion is more powerfully to in the movie. Use the slow motion can more powerfully. Okay. This is a slow motion example. Let's talk about the time-lapse movie.
Yeah.
I take the fantastic fungi to talk about the time-lapse. Yeah, it is combine the time-lapse and the interview to talk about the biology and the environment rules. In the movie, they say fungi are not just a piece of topping. Yeah. They use the fungi to discover the beauty from their growing process. Yeah, let's see the part of the movie.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see the fungi is being small and grow up to a large fungi. If you want to see the huge change, you need to take a very long time video, maybe a week or a month. So it need to take a lot of time to show the time-lapse change. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about the relating reading. Yeah. The article is talk about slow motion is often used in the movie, like the action movie, right? You can use the slow motion to enjoy the non-visual sensation, just not use the eyes, like a taste or smell or touch, not use the non-visual sensation, right?
Yes.
And the slow motion is often used to see in the social media like Instagram or TikTok. Like, we can slow down the spatial time very easy to use our cell phone or our mobile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the article is to say how we use the time-lapse photography to talk about the reason. Yeah. There are many doing no reason in our life. We can use more way to feel the world by the time-lapse photography. Okay. That is my comparison before I studying the two method and the after. The time-lapse before I just think about it just speed up. But after I can know about the life change with the time-lapse. Maybe the object is not have a real life, but with the time-lapse it can move on and then become have a real life. In the slow motion, before I just think this just speed being slowed down and everything is being slowly. But after, when the speed slow down, we can feel the other senses, like the touch or the smell, right? In that moment, we can see by our eyes. Maybe it's too fast, the bottle is broken, or the punch is too fast. We can see by our eyes. Okay, this is a comparison.
Good.
Okay, that you can see the video is the flag is waving, right? That was I take the slow motion video when I go around the Taiwan island. And beside is a high-speed camera producing company's slogan. Yeah, when it's too fast to see and too important not to. Yeah, this is talk about the slow motion, right? It's too fast, but it is important. Okay, the under video, that is I take the hot air balloon in the Taidong with the time-lapse. You can see the cloud is move very fast, right? And the hot air balloon is move on like have a real life is shaking, right? So we can explore the beauty with the time and the time's flow in our lives by the slow motion and the time-lapse. We can use the two method to feel more aesthetic. The aesthetic we can see by our eyes in real life. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your listening.
Good. Thank you for your sharing. It's interesting. About time. Can I say a few words? Few words? Can I say a few words? Tseng.
Hey.
Can I ask you questions? About your time lapse? Can I ask questions to you?
不好意思，讲一次，我刚刚耳机。
Okay, sorry. Can I say a few words about the time lapse questions?
Okay, no problem.
Yes. I think you raise a possibility about time and to control, but you say you keep the camera and should then control this time, right?
Yeah.
Control this time, but we can use editing software to do that. Why you do it on the camera, not on
okay.
Editing software? I have some confused. Okay.
The camera is more 专业的我讲，因为专业比较专业一点。Yes, professional. Yeah, and the picture is more 精致 more beautiful. You to use the camera, but it's professional. But if you use the cell phone, and the cell phone is more powerfully in now, yes. So it can show the slow motion or the time-lapse photography on the cell phone. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. You want to what you want to say. That's right. Maybe it's a beautiful when we record this time. Very 精致。
Okay.
好，let's move on to the discussion
Thank you.
next.